Yo, what up? It's your boy Melvin. So today we are gonna be reviewing an item that I got online. This is a grappling hook. It's a small one. It's like a keychain size, and we're gonna test this out on the trees that you can see over there, and we'll see if it's gonna work out. Cause emergency stuff, right? So I have the rope too. I'm just gonna tie that in and then put it on the tree and try to pull it up and then see if it really works, or if this can save your life. Because I think this is just for just hanging around, stuff like that. It wouldn't be like to save your life, because it's really small. If you see that on my hand, it's just that small. And I'm not sure if this is 100% what do you call this, strong or whatever. So we're gonna check it out. So this is the hook, if you can see that one. So it can retract like that, and then it has a what do you call this, a rubber band, a small rubber band that makes it close and open like that. And then you actually put this in so that you'll be able to lodge on to a tree or the wall. There's like 4 points, right? So it's gonna pull like that, and this is where you tie the rope. So let's see if this is gonna work. So I have the rope here. It says that this is a paracord. I'm not 100% sure if this is real paracord, but we're gonna test it out. I hope I don't fall. So here's how it goes. Let me just untie this real quick. Okay. So you'll never know when you'll be using this, because you know how it is, right? Survival stuff. Let's say you got locked or something, then you have this, then you can use this to get out of a place, or if there's a wall or something like that, then you'll be able to climb on that wall using this thing over here. But again, as I've said, I'm not sure if this is gonna work out. If it doesn't work out, then that's fine, because actually I just bought this for just to try it out. But there's still use for this if it can't hold up, or it can't carry the weight, or my weight. I'm like 67 or 60 to 67 to 70 kilograms. So if this is gonna be working in my weight, then it's cool, right? So there you go. I've untied the rope, and later on, so I'm sorry about that. The gimbal crashed. I don't know why. It's really not what do you call this? You really can't rely on this gimbal that I'm using right now. It's the Moza Mini S. There's a lot of bugs that's happening on this one. It's the application bug, and then it could be the gimbal itself. It just died on me. I mean, it just hung up. So I put it on standby mode and then turn it back on, and then now it's working again. I hope it doesn't die no more. I mean, it doesn't do that no more, because it's kind of irritating, because I bought this and then it's just doing that. Because I had the gimbal before, which is the Tech Gimbal 2. I haven't had that problem ever since I've used that, and until I've sold it. So that's how it is. You know what I'm saying? Like cheap stuff, right? Oh shit. Okay, so first I'm gonna tie the end so it doesn't come loose, because there's a lot of rope in here. I'm gonna tie it later, like real good, once I'm done with this video, and then we're gonna go from there, right? So let me tie this real quick. Okay, this is gonna be a quick knot, so we can go with a video. Because I'm gonna find a tree to lodge this on. Maybe it's gonna be like that tree over there, because we don't want that to be so high. I just want to test if it can, like, if we can, uh, dangle to a tree. So it doesn't necessarily mean that I'm gonna be hanging on it. I'm just testing it. So, even if I'm standing, I'm gonna be pulling it and then putting some weight on it. Then we're gonna see how it goes. Okay, so first we make sure that it is assembled, and then we're gonna tie this right now. Okay, let's see. I don't know how to tie real good, but I think this is gonna be enough. So this is the knot that I did. I don't think this is gonna come loose. See that one? So I think it's pretty sturdy. I hope it works. So where do I go? Let me think. I don't have a stand on this gear, but I think that would work. Yeah, let's go over there. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so wait a sec. It's kind of tight. So we're gonna try this over there. I'm gonna pull it and then see if it's gonna work out. I'm not 100% sure if this is gonna work. So take a look at it. Track. So tracking is not good on here. If you turn your back, then you're gonna have problems with it. But let's I think that's it. Okay, the rope is a little bit long, so we're gonna do this again. There's a lot of people in here. It's like Wednesday morning, 2:20. Oh no, it's not morning, it's afternoon. Wednesday afternoon, 2:20 p.m. Still a lot of people, mostly like teenagers. Let's Okay, I think we're good. We're gonna test it out. So I'm gonna simulate that I'm gonna throw this, and let's see how this is gonna stick on that tree. If it's really gonna work, if it sticks out. I think it's gonna stick out because the points are like sharp, and then it's gonna cling on the tree. But we gotta check it. We gotta see. Okay, see that first try? It didn't lodge onto the tree, so I think it should have been sharper. But let me try again. Okay, second try, it doesn't work. So the tree is a little bit smooth. That means we gotta find another branch, like a wide branch. If this is gonna stick out. So the normal tree. So emergency wise, I don't think it's gonna work that well. But let me find another place or another spot. Okay, all attempts that I did is really not working. Uh, Let me try that one, the other one. Okay, really not good because it doesn't work that way. So what I did is I hooked the rope onto the hook and then see if that would carry my weight. It's really not good. I mean, we'll try on this um, table because this is like cement. We're gonna see if it is gonna be clinging onto it. Okay, I'm done with this. So it's not gonna work. I tried putting it in, tying it on the rope. It's not gonna work, I'm telling you. The rope stretches. I don't think this is 100% power cord because power cords are used on parachutes and that will be really sturdy. But this one is not gonna work. Let's try this one. So let me show you. Okay, so it can cling on this one, but barely. it's just getting 1 point in, and that's not gonna be safe, I think. And you have to make sure that it's gonna be on it. Let me show you. Let's say you're down there and you throw this one, and then little bit by little you got it in, and there you go. It fell, right? So no good. Don't even try to rely on this with your life. You're gonna die, I'm telling you that, because maybe it's just for design, that. I think that's it. I'm gonna do another video on this one, but I need to find something because it is gonna be for a slingshot that I bought using a metal BB and a plastic BB, and then we're gonna go from there. So that's it. It's your boy Melvin, and I'm out.